Hi up guys, in this video I will show you how to report and delete a fake Facebook account. For example, if you find out an account that you think that is fake, you need just to take a look on it. For example, we will go with this account. Now, if I think that this is a fake account, I need to go on his profile and go to the three dot beside the message button. Then as you can see, there are a lot of options, but I need to choose the fourth selection, find support or report profile. Now what I need to do, I need to select the second selection, fake account. Click on fake account, go submit, and here you need to await review. Go next. Now you need to, for example, unfriend this person, go for blocking him or just unfollow his steps, then go for done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems, please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys.